RapidReviewz review. Let's face it, if you really want to make money online, you need targeted traffic on a daily basis. And SEO is really the best way to go about it. Ever heard the expression, content is king? When you have high-quality content, you get easy #1 rankings and organic traffic for years to come. It's the loophole that smart marketers have used for years now. The change. People watch videos now more than ever before. Companies like Google, YouTube, Facebook value and rank videos higher than any other form of content. Videos convert better and let you drive more targeted traffic and generate more sales. So while content is still king, the way you deliver that content has changed. You have to do videos. Let's check my RapidReviewz review below now to see how to win at video marketing with the latest neat software. How would you like to make $500 per day by leveraging one of the most trusted, highest converting content online? One that smart, lazy and intelligent marketers are using to make 5 figures per month. It's evergreen product reviews. But without all the hard work. Without writing scripts. Without being an expert. Without ever having to show your face on camera. Without paid traffic. And without spending hours in front of the computer recording, editing. I just got my hands on a brand new automated system that does all the heavy lifting for you literally within minutes. You can have a high-quality product review video, live on YouTube, ranking and making sales. It gives you an unfair advantage over your competition, while they spend weeks creating just one review video. You could have 100 and all make sales for you, and it's all automated. Fact. You probably have at least one dead site sitting around doing nothing, don't we all? Fact. Content is still king, but content videos are better. They're allowing you to truly get targeted traffic and make affiliate sales. Problem? Creating videos takes time and technical know-how even if you're using a great video builder software. Solution. RapidReviewz, a brand new software being released today which instantly converts any URL into a video. RapidReviewz is a new approach to instant video production. This cloud-based software creates stunning videos in lightning speed from web content. Turn any link into an animated video. In the details, RapidReviewz is a brand new software that lets you create video after video in as little as 60 seconds. And then lets you drive 100% free traffic from Google, starting today. It works by turning links and web pages into videos. You heard that right. All you have to do is insert the URL of some old article or site you have. And RapidReviewz will grab all its content, let you add images and create a stunning video out of it in no time. You can send your evergreen traffic anywhere you like, even directly to affiliate offers. You've probably seen a lot of video builders, but trust me, nothing beats the simplicity of this one. RapidReviewz is unlike any other software you've seen or maybe tried. It comes jam-packed with a massive number of rich features that not only make video creation 2-minute easy, but super profitable as well. Even if you're a complete newbie to internet marketing or affiliate marketing, it doesn't matter. This powerful software gives you all the features you really need to generate new streams of affiliate commissions in any niche the smart and simple way. Creating a video has never been easier. Step 1. Enter a page link into the cloud-based interface. Step 2. Include natural-sounding voice narration, built in. Step 3. Upload and auto-share. Step 4. Enjoy red-hot traffic for years to come. Yes, that easy. This is the exact strategy we're using to get tons of traffic and sales without any paid ads. All you need is our software and this training, and you'll be able to get all the traffic and sales you want without ever having to spend a dime on ads. Plus, you don't need any followers or subscribers at all. So don't hesitate to check out the next parts of this RapidReviewz review, as I'll show you how powerful it is. Complete the second part of the review, link in description.